Roblox Studio Tutorial Part 16. In this video I'm going to teach you about if statements. And if statements are basically lines of code that will only run if a certain condition is true. So for example, if 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 and that's true, then the lines of code will run. But otherwise, if 2 plus 2 is equal to 5 and that's false, then the lines of code will not run. And this is useful because you can make it so that certain lines of code inside of your script will only run if a certain condition has been met. When you are inside of a script, we're first just going to delete this part, and now we are going to create our if statement. And to create an if statement, we first have to type if, all in lowercase, and then we have to create our condition. So for the condition, I'm going to type 2 plus 2 equals 4. But as you can see, there's this red line, and that means that there's an error. And that is because one equal sign is used to give a certain value to something, and that is, for example, used to give a value to a variable. But we are not giving a value to 2 plus 2, we are comparing 2 plus 2 to 4. And if you want to compare two values with each other, you have to use the equal sign twice. So after the first equal sign, type another equal sign, and this two equal signs means is equal to. So if 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, and so we are now going to create the end of our if statement. So type if 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, then all in lowercase, and at the end press enter, so this end text appeared, and now we have created our if statement. I split this video up into two parts because otherwise the video would be too long, and part 2 will be uploaded tomorrow.